Yesterday, my nephew and niece, who are teenagers, they made a mistake. They were supposed to get their grandmother from their uncle's place, who is in the same city, but instead they came to my place in a different city. As soon as they reached here, they realized their mistake, and I could see the fear or embarrassment on their faces, and this made me realize that. Why are we so harsh on our children when they make mistakes? And for that matter, anybody who makes a mistake and realizes it, at that point of time, that person wants somebody to tell him or her that it's okay to make mistake, just relax. It's not a big deal. I don't know whether their mother or grandmother scolded them or not. I'm hoping that they didn't. But what I could understand is that why cannot we as human beings give space to our children or to anybody else in the family when they make mistakes, when they do something wrong. From here only, somewhere when the child is scared, they start covering themselves up. That I could see yesterday when they were trying to mommy didn't tell us कहाँ से लेके आना है, पूछा क्यों नहीं, एक दूसरे को बोल रहे थे तूने क्यों नहीं पूछा, तुमने क्यों नहीं पूछा. Of course, वो सब points हैं, but also I wanted to ask them that what is the lesson that you will learn, because every mistake teaches you, and we know it. We adults know it, that we learn from our mistakes. So मुझे लगता है कि जब हम इस तरीके का टॉलरेंस रखते हैं या इस तरीके का स्पेस जब अपने बच्चों को देते हैं कि कोई बात नहीं, गलतियाँ करना इतना बड़ा नहीं है, कोई गुनाह इतना बड़ा नहीं है, just relax yourself and know that what lesson you learned from this mistake. So if we do so, I feel that we will be able to create better bonds within the families. Thank you so very much. My name is Pratibha. I am the Mind and Body Wellness Guide. I'm a Neuro-Linguistic Programming Coach, and I also practice naturopathy, and I help people in making changes in their lifestyles. Thank you so much.